Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you this absolutely stunning Porsche. It's a friend of mine who owns it. He's bought it brand new from Porsche in Winslow. He's asked me to sell the car, so that's what I'm doing, preparing it and what have you, and to help him sell it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take you around the outside of the car, then take you in the inside. So we'll start with the front. Best place to start, isn't it? So it's the V6. And I think when he chose the colour, I think it was absolutely super with the sand and the metallic blue. I don't know if you can catch it on camera. When the sun hits it, it doesn't half pop. It's absolutely super. It's got loads of spec on it, the pan roof on it, the larger wheels. There's about 50 plus more photographs of the car that you've got access to. Checking in the wheels, P0, sorry. No bumper scuffs. Get your parking sensors, as you can see, on the rear. Quad exhaust on it. Supplied by Porsche in Winslow. The big pan roof. Nothing significant that I can turn around and say that there's this dent or that dent for a 50,000 mile car and 50,000 mile car. I'm thinking it's absolutely good. There's a mark there, as you can see, but there's nothing crazy on it. Step back. Looks absolutely stunning. So what I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil here again. So what we're going to do is we're going to take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. So here we go. Now don't forget, you can stop and start and do whatever you need to do with this video. As you can see, 3 litre V6, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely super. So there's the engine bay. Now, as I've said, it's just had a major service at Porsche because it has full Porsche service history. It's had a battery change on it, which is over £2,000. All bills are with the car. So this is the driver's side door card. So you've got the memory seats, electric windows, electric door mirrors, electric boot. You also have electric seats, as you can see. It's got the Porsche mats in there. There's the seats. There's absolutely no undue wear on the bolsters. It is literally a one owner car. Absolutely beautiful, and I love the colour combination between that and that. It's absolutely stunning. So taking in the driver's side rear, obviously electric windows, central locking, has the adjustable seats for the rear, central armrest, headrests all the way around, have the panoramic roof, which is fabulous, just makes this car so airy. Again, the Porsche mats, heated seats in the rear, you've got all your sockets for power, AUX and so on and so forth. It has your seats for the child, taking in the rear, so it has your lower and higher, or your Porsche bag there, your mat. It also has the parcel shelf as well. I mean, you can tell it's just all good, and they always tend to wear electric boot. Going to passenger side rear door card. It's got your Bose stereo, as you can see. It's absolutely beautiful. None of it's been kicked and what have you. All the seats are in super condition with the mats. Taking in that panoramic roof again. Just the build quality is phenomenal. And the drivability. I think that build quality, drivability and reliability. Taking in the seats. And so on. So there you have it. So 49,000 miles, one owner, full Porsche service history. It's just had a major service at Porsche, and it's also had a new battery. So if you need any further information, give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.